set of baseline. So we're going to install the West Coast saw bark box on the Stihl MS461. So first we're just going to see what it sounds like with the stock. Alright guys, installation's pretty straightforward. There is one thing that I'm going to show you. The stock screen right here, this was pointing straight out, which prevented, it's flat on the back here, so it prevented that from being able to sit in there flat. I just took and bent it to the side just a little bit so that this can sit up in here flat. That's the only thing that you'll need to do, and that was a note that was put on the papers that I got with this, so I'm glad they told me that, because that definitely made it a lot simpler to know that I just need to bend that out of the way to make it mount up. So we'll get this stuck on here and we'll go see how it sounds. So we've got that bark box on there from West Coast Saw, and the thing that I noticed immediately about it versus the stock is the acceleration. The chain seems to get up to speed quicker, which isn't a huge deal, but every little bit helps. So I'm sure it's going to equate to more power in the cut as well, but it'll take a little bit before I can get this in some wood and see what it does.